Our department is equipped with 6 state-of-art studios. Integrated with lecture halls, the climatology lab is another unique feature of our department. We also have a dedicated architectural library which holds over 3000 volumes. We have our flagship event, D3, the Architectural Entertainment Fest.
If we come into the practical knowledge, we have hands-on activities like model making, workshop. So all this will be helping us to improve our communication skills and also the practical knowledge for the coming futures of an architecture.
So we have students who focus on their research, their innovation, their product development, their prototype building in special semesters. So lecture, tutorial, practical, along with these three, we also add a fourth component called as skill. The skill component, when we embed in our regular academic courses, it ensures that student just doesn't have only the practical hands-on ability, but also has a strong skill set in building products related to that technology. We made sure that our students are globally competent.
The KL University is offering us wide knowledge and along with the industrial visits and educational trips. The regular collaborations with NASA, IID and IIA has increased our exposure with local architects. KL School of Architecture is unique from other architecture colleges because of its more interaction. It is more like an open world where we can explore a lot.